put it up then.
That would be good, huh?
I think so.
Okay, so.
Oh, do you want it to be big? What do you say?
Presentation.
The present.
Yes, so then what you go, there's two different ways to do it. You can go to, oops, presentation mode. Oop, yeah. And then just click this button to
That
move
advances
to the next
it.
one.
Okay.
This one gives you a preview of what's coming
All right,
next.
so this is a reading, writing, grammar, level 5 integrated skills class. We've been working on essays. You all have a copy of a first draft of an essay. Last couple of classes we've been working on creating a good thesis statement, so that you all know a thesis statement for the essay had to have a topic and three supporting pieces of evidence. So that's kind of all in mind for students. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about something else today that's gonna help us with our writing good thesis statements. So, what do we need in order to write a good thesis statement? Who can tell me one thing we need? Yeah, Sean.
Topic?
A topic, very good. What else do we need? What else did I say we needed for a good thesis statement?
What is thesis statement? What is thesis statement? Could you explain to me like
That's what we've been doing for the past week. So we have that knowledge.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
So now we're moving on. So we need a topic and yes, Tiffany.
Evidence?
Yeah, supporting evidence, and that's what you've all been writing a thesis statement. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so in order to write a thesis statement, good thesis statement, we need two things. We need a topic, and we need 3 supporting ideas. So you see I have these sentences, 3 sentences here. Those are good English sentences. Remember I always say, keep it simple as you can, but sometimes we need to have longer sentences to convey more complex ideas. For example, a thesis statement. So, in other words, in order to write a thesis statement, we need a topic and 3 supporting ideas. So now I've combined those 3 sentences more or less into one sentence. And when we join ideas together in a longer sentence with a comma or conjunction, the ideas, the elements listed in the sentence, have to have the same grammatical form or function. So for the underlined parts of the sentence, a topic, and 3 supporting ideas, what form or part of speech are the underlined words? What would you call it? Topic or supporting ideas? What form of speech? Part of speech? A noun. So we have a topic, the article, 3 supporting ideas. We have noun phrases. So noun phrase, joined with the noun phrase, we call that parallel structure. Some of you may know the word parallel from geometry, parallel lines. They never meet. So we have a noun phrase, we have a noun phrase, we have good parallel structure. Okay. Why would the sentence below not be good parallel structure? In order to write a good thesis statement, we need a topic and to be having 3 supporting ideas. Yes, Elena.
One is a noun phrase and the other one is not a noun phrase.
That's not a noun phrase. What is that?
Verb phrase.
It's a verb. It's a kind of a verb, isn't it? So the parts of speech or the items in the sentence don't match. We have a topic, which is a noun phrase, and then we have to be having 3 supporting ideas. That's a verb phrase. So the structure isn't parallel. Okay, now, does this sentence have good parallel structure? Rich is a great teacher because he is empathic, careful, and humorous. So why don't we pair up and discuss quickly if that sentence has good parallel structure and why or why not. So discuss briefly. What do you, Wei and Sasha, what do you guys think?
The thing is parallel.
What is that?
There are three adjectives.
3 adjectives, exactly. Rich is a great teacher because he's empathic, careful, and humorous. Those are all adjectives, so the sentence has good parallel structure. Whether or not the sentence is true, that's another issue. Okay, why is the sentence below not a good example of parallel structure? All students should respect their parents, should listen to their teachers, and working very hard. Come up again and discuss. Why is that not a good example of parallel structure? What do you guys think, Tiffany and Sarah?
We think that the last part doesn't work at all, so you could say should respect their parents.
Why doesn't the last part work? Because
there's two modals there, and this is just a gerund. So if it would work if it said should work very hard.
Exactly. That's actually the continuous present, very close. Okay, all students should respect their parents, should listen to the teachers, and be working very, very hard. So should respect is a modal, should listen to is a modal, and then that's the continuous verb form. So even though they're all verbs, they're different verb forms. So how could we correct this sentence? Again, get with your partner and see if you can come up with an idea to make that sentence work. Do you guys have answers, Sean, Mick? Lorelai?
I don't know what the rules are, but could you say all students should respect their parents, should listen to their teachers, and be very hardworking?
No.
No, because we don't have parallel. We have to keep. Yes, Mick, do you have
All students should respect their parents, should listen to the teachers, and should work very hard.
and should work very hard. Okay. Well, the sentence now is correct parallel structure. Do you think it's true? Who thinks the sentence is true?
True?
It's a true sentence?
I don't know.
I try.
Okay, however, if we write the sentence this way, all students should respect their parents, listen to their teachers, and work hard, is it correct parallel structure?
Yes.
You guys are good. Why? We left out some modals. Remember, written English, we don't like to repeat things too much. So in parallel structure, we often leave out modals or auxiliary verbs that are repeated. So all students should respect their parents. So listen to their teachers and work very hard. Or we are working very hard, learning a lot, and enjoying life. So the first one, the modals aren't repeated. The second one, the auxiliary verb in the present continuous is repeated. And that's called, fancy English word for that is called ellipsis. Those things in the paragraph. We just don't repeat them. Let's practice real quick. Woo! Monica brewed espresso, steamed milk, and told jokes as she prepared Mike's latte. Discuss with your partner if you think the sentence is correct or not.
There's no random future.
First, okay, how many elements are there in the sentence? How many items are listed in the sentence?
Four.
She brewed espresso, steamed milk,
Joke.
told jokes
As
she prepared. Okay, what form are they in? What's a part of speech of those items? Past tense? What kind of past tense?
Simple past.
Simple past. Brewed, steamed, told, prepared. So. We love a winner. You guys are the best. Okay. I think we're at time.
Sit at that.